Let's throw those in, then boom, there we go. 10 pieces, $1,000. And you're probably thinking like, okay, well, that's a nice brand new stack of money. What about when I grab a bunch of old, like crumple up bills straight from the till? You could see how crumpled up all these bills are. Handled it just fine. Guys, check out this super cool bill counter that was gifted to me. It even comes with this screen so that you could put this next to your computer, move it away if you don't need it. Right here next to the bill counter, you have your POS system somewhere else. This can reach over there and you can set it there and you can still get the reading on it, which is a really, really cool feature. And it's gonna give you about 3 feet or so. I'll double check on that, but it looks like it's about 3 feet or so of length. This is fully extended. And then it's got a nice little kickstand right there so you can see what's going on. So let's go ahead and go through the functions and features of this bill counter. I got some money over here so that we can kind of start going through it. And also a cool feature about this is counterfeit detection. It has 4 methods of counterfeit detection. You can see them lit up right here on the screen. Hopefully maybe I need to tilt it up a little bit more, but you got UV detection, magnetic detection, infrared detection, and then the DD, that's going to be for dimensions. So yes, it's going to measure the dimensions of these bills, and if it finds something that's not within that range, it's going to stop, it's going to beep, and it's going to alert you to double check that bill, which is a really, really cool feature. That way you can catch those counterfeits super, super fast. So right now we are set to, let's see, to add. So if you're on the add feature, what you can do is say you have a large stack of bills. So we'll go ahead and put a couple in here, and it's going to continue to add to. So we'll put a couple bills in there. You can see how fast it is. So it added to my total, and we could take that off. There's the add feature right here. If we click that, we can go ahead and take that off. And also, if you could take any of those counterfeit detection methods off as well, there's buttons here for those as well. The UV, MG, IR, DD, those are all here across the top, so you can remove those. You don't have to leave it on, so it is optional. And then our value, you can see that our value is currently set at $1. We go right here to value and click it. It's going to toggle through all of our options: $100, $50, 20, 10s, 5, 2s, and 1s. So we have $100 bills, and I don't have the add feature on anymore. Throw those in there. So we got 3 pieces, $300. So if I throw another bill in there, you can see, oh, I do still have it on. So it's totaling it. Now we have 400. Let's throw those in, then boom, there we go. 10 pieces, $1,000. And you're probably thinking like, okay, well, that's a nice brand new stack of money. What about when I grab a bunch of old, like crumple up bills straight from the till? These are straight from the till. Like you could see how crumpled up all these bills are. So this is a mixture of bills. I don't have them separated by value. So it's going to calculate it as $100 bills. So I just want to use this as a demonstration of pulling some bunch of crinkled up money out of the till and throwing it in there and how it's going to handle it. Handled it just fine. So you can see once it kind of, and I didn't even put it in there all that straight, just kind of dumped it in there. You could see that it sorted itself out, got situated, and then went through it and sped through it pretty fast. Let's go ahead and do that again so you can go ahead and see for a second time. There we go, works pretty good. So if you guys have a small business or maybe a large business, something where you deal with a lot of cash, having a counter, a money counter, is gonna save you an insane amount of time when you're dealing with all different types of bills and stuff like that. I would definitely recommend going and checking one of these out. You will be super glad that you did.